Okay, so we've already covered a few reasons why you should use an air curtain in your facility. But did you know they also contribute to superior employee experience? The Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends that temperatures in work environments should be maintained between 68 and 76 degrees Fahrenheit. And productivity studies show that dips occur when people are too hot or too cold. Air curtains can help you provide optimal working conditions for your staff and ensure their comfort and productivity. Comfort will reduce complaints, turnover, and absenteeism while it improves customer service. Another reason are smoke, fumes, and particulate control. Smoke and fumes can cause severe discomfort, allergies, and long-term respiratory issues while also contaminating your interior. Think about how air curtains at drive-thru windows can keep the fumes from cars out and prevent them from entering the kitchen. And last, health, hygiene, and safety. Healthcare facilities are required to ensure a safe and hygienic indoor environment for patients. Air curtains can protect these spaces from outside contamination and effectively prevent airborne bacteria and viruses from entering critical areas like surgical wards and intensive care units. An air curtain is one of the most effective and energy-efficient solutions for maintaining a safe, hygienic, and comfortable indoor environment. It's a highly versatile product that provides far-reaching benefits while requiring very little maintenance, as it extends the lifespan of your HVAC system. Curious to learn more? Click the link to our blog post below, which goes into further detail on reasons to use air curtains in your facility. Or head over to our website and use the Mars Product Selector, which is a handy tool that can guide you through your air curtain selection process in just a few clicks.